sun starts here. Look at this. It starts here and we're leaving already.
I should take a picture of that.
Yeah.
2 lanes. That's my opportunity by signs.
Less jump when I got that.
Yeah. Oasis Resort. Looks like we take a right up there.
Turn right on Parvin Street.
Yeah, so we take a right and go down. There'll be a left up there. Check it.
Arriving at 2711 West Windmill Lane on the left.
That is an odd entrance.
Please pull forward to register.
Registration parking.
To registration parking.
So maybe
All
she'll-
traffic must stop.
Okay, what's this?
Is this it?
81, right here, front, right here, 82. No. You think I need to?
Not anymore. We want to put the car on the front or the rear. Actually,
The rear.
it won't fit anywhere.
Okay, we'll see. We can do a diagonal if they're doing it. We're not sticking out here, are we?
I don't know. I gotta look. Hey Sue,
I just want to sit
do
out.
we have any guests here?
Welcome.
Oh, here we go.
We've got Ryan and Linda visiting from Wisconsin. They escaped the winter.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent. Well, let's go see if I can move into my spot, all right?
So we asked Linda, and Mark is like, well, we're taking videos of you guys. So we asked Linda,
Where's the release?
what he meant to say was, do you mind if we do videos and photographs that might go on YouTube?
I want to see the release.
You can give us an audio release.
Yeah,
You do-
well-
if you don't want it, say it. Otherwise
We'll
it's
have
gonna
you.
be in your face.
We'll have you sign it later. All right, let's get going.
All right.
So we just stopped in to pick up our friends from Wisconsin that have rented a really awesome Airbnb, and we're going to go take a look at it, and we'll see what we can learn from that. Keep in mind that this is a rental just for the people on this side. Unbelievable!
Unbelievable. We're like in Belize.
Unbelievable! Look at this. What did we waste our time yesterday by our rig? We're never coming there the rest of the time. Did you go in the pool?
No, it's too cold. You can't eat that. It's too cold to step in.
Wow.
You can eat it, but it costs
Unbelievable. Let's check. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you rich?
I wish I was.
Wow.
Wow. What is that, a tiki hut?
Yes,
Tiki
yes.
bar,
Yeah.
tiki
And a
hut.
little-
Can I walk on the grass or is it just for
Yeah.
show?
It's
No,
real.
you can-
We got koi fish in there, a turtle.
Koi
So
pond.
basically, this is a Shangri-La for the owner, and then he just backs away when somebody rents here?
Yeah, that's what he says. It's all used for others.
Yeah.
Wow.
Go up here. Get this view.
Yes, yeah, you gotta
Oh,
get this
yeah.
view. Those lights, the whole thing is lights. This
Everything is lit up.
Yeah.
Why do the color like
Wow. This is living.
Right, when we're done doing our
Oh.
And then that's all downtown. Is the strip all light up. The Space Needle. You can see perfectly.
Yeah.
Go through there and walk out. You'll see the needle and everything.
Huh. Wow.
We're
This
southeast.
fire pit. Hey, I'm not kidding. We're never spending one more minute at our RV.
This is where I needed the propane for this. But it's so
Yeah.
windy, I'm not sure even with that.
Did you get propane?
No, I still haven't.
God, why didn't you remind me? I would have brought mine. So is that down there? Is that where you drink your diuretic?
Yeah, where were you having your coffee?
Here, there. This morning we were under there.
Let's go check the temperature of the hot tub out tonight.
Yeah, I said.
Are we still invited?
Crank it up.
Absolutely.
Crank it up. I really like this pool. Do you see how that pool just goes down deep?
isn't on right now.
Yeah, we just turned it off. We figured it takes about an hour and a half to get it really
Really
hot.
hot? Oh, no kidding. That's not bad. Wow. So I wonder how deep this is.
Are we retired, Brian?
This
This-
week.
What about you, Sue?
Totally retired. Been
Excellent.
retired. Loving it.
Yeah.
What's this?
This says Hoover Dam exit 10.
10
Travel
miles
time.
or 10 minutes?
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
No, look
Where
at
that?
this. Look at
Oh,
this
that's
mechanism. Isn't that cool?
I love making.
Oh, there's the bridge we just drove over.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That's like the Cuyahoga Valley, Linda, remember? When we biked under that?
Wow.
We biked all on the old canal and we go under that in Cuyahoga Valley National Park.
I like just saying Cuyahoga Valley.
Trying to tell everybody on the phone where I lived in Wauwatosa, Waukesha, when you're giving some operator or
Yeah.
place you're buying. Well, Waukesha?
Yeah.
Wauwatosa, it's just like it sounds.
Yeah.
Wow, there's the dam.
Waukesha.
Waukesha. Another Mustang. Ooh, got a light here.
Okay, you pay attention, Brian. We're
Trailers
the ones.
and RVs.
We're the ones having fun. Don't mind me.
It's this way. Restroom right Ariel America just had a showing of this with a drone explaining the light where it differentiates is the bathtub rate. That's the drought has caused the water level to drop that low.
Wow.
And that's why the whole area, Arizona and Nevada, are hurting desperately for water.
So we're on top of the dam right now, and as I'm looking over, you can see there's a guy down there. Would you like to take a skateboard down there? Brian? Brian, didn't you read the sign here?
Danger. Keep off the wall.
Am I on the wall?
You're on the wall. Settle down, you crazy kids.
As some of you know, I love wind. And we're on the top of the Hoover Dam right now, and it's quite windy. And I'm going to take my hat off just to prove it, as you can see. And my friend here, Brian, he doesn't have that problem. Brian, does the wind affect your hair?
Yeah, it messes it up all the time.
Look at that!
Don't go over the edge. Now, if you don't feel like standing, there's a bench back here. If you're thirsty, there's a drinking fountain off to my left over there. And actually, it's the best dam water you will ever drink. Now, welcome to the Hoover Dam Power Plant. The Hoover Dam Power Plant is a giant U-shaped building at the foot of Hoover Dam. You're on the Nevada side. Over across the river in Arizona, there's another room just like this. This room is 650 feet long. If you look out there, there are 8 commercial generators.
When we were all done with touring the inside of the dam, we spent some time on the outside just looking at the magnificence. And then we did a little fooling around with cameras, but soon it was off to an Albertsons grocery store to get the supplies for supper that we were going to make. Now you would think Sue and I would be cooking for everybody because after all we did bring along not only our clothes, our bed, our toilet, and our refrigerator, and our engine and the steering wheel. But compared to Brian just brought his suitcase and his wonderful wife. These are some photos of an upcoming bike ride we'll have, but nonetheless, they show what great people these are and what a fun time we had with them on the remainder of the week. I shouldn't have made Brian in particular do all the grilling, but he is just so good at making food, and I'm so good at eating that we let him do it, and we tried to pay him back later by taking him to a chocolate factory.